Welcome to the channel, Autotrophs and the Mates. In this video we are going to take a small glimpse of some interesting plants' behavior. It is a natural thing that plants takes in nutrition from soil. But do you know that there are some plants that are carnivorous? Yes. They get their nutrition by eating other living organisms. Isn't surprising. There is a plant that can eat small snakes, spiders and even small frogs. Let's see which these plants are and how they do that. Carnivorous plants, normally called insectivorous plants, are basically those plants particularly adjusted for catching and processing bugs and different small similar creatures through shrewd entanglements and traps. The one most familiar carnivorous plant is Venus flytrap. It is notable for its unusual habit of catching and digesting insects and other small animals. The only member of its genus, the plant is native to a small region of North and South Carolina, where it is common in damp mossy areas. Its leaves have blades that are hinged along the midline with spiny teeth along their margins, can fold together and enclose an insect alighting on them. This action is triggered by pressure on 6 sensitive hairs, 3 on each lobe. In normal daytime temperatures, the lobes, when stimulated by prey, snap shut in about half a second. Glands on the leaf surface then secrete a red sap that digests the insect's body and gives the entire leaf a red flower-like appearance. About 10 days are required for digestion. The other one in the list is cobra lily. As the name shows, its shape resembles too much with cobra snake. It is a small wild plant that eats small flies and other similar insects. It a very rare plant that founds in Americans California. Actually, it is cooler region plant. Its color is reddish-green, which works in attracting small insects. Once the insect enters the small opening on the upper side of the plant, it can't come out, as this plant closes its mouth-like opening structure. There is a sticky liquid present inside this plant which traps the insect and causes its dilution and digestion ultimately. The last one is also very interesting, with a unique shape like a pitcher. That's why it is commonly known as pitcher plant. Entanglement traps of pitcher plants are among the most well-known kinds of traps and utilize an empty, lidded leaf loaded up with fluid to latently gather and summary prey. Utilizing proteins or microbes, meat-eating plants digest their prey through a course of compound breakdown closely resembling processing in creatures. The final results, especially nitrogenous mixtures and salts, are consumed by the plants to empower their endurance under, in any case, peripheral or antagonistic ecological circumstances. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Please subscribe the channel for more amazing and interesting videos.